All right. Well, we've got a couple different examples here. We have Devin, who has been in business for 15 years, been using the job board for 5 years. Devin's the kind of guy that uses fast pay to get paid faster for all of his work when he completes a job. He uses fast pay to buy supplies, not worry about taking cash flow out of his normal business finances. It's all contained. Um, the advance card is easy for using all kinds of different shop related for addressing all kinds of different shop related items, and he's able to align with deduct from jobs, so he can keep track of what supplies and what expenses were associated with the specific work that he's doing. Makes the accounting side way easier on the end of the job too. In contrast, we have Alex, who just started his machine shop, and this is an opportunity for him to own and grow his own business. He's trained and purchased his first machine, and now he's created a shop profile to be able to promote that business. As a brand new operator in the space, where do you start? What do you do? How do you get business, right? So Alex is an example of that guy. So he's published his shop profile. He signed up for the advance card, and now he's got access to 50% upfront of that new work that he's taking. This is huge because he doesn't have a nest egg. I mean, he's got whatever he has going into this business, and this gives him working capital. So he's not dipping into savings to take new work that then gets locked up in that job for 30 days. He's got access to that right up front, and then he can get paid out his profit later. And he's also using Xometry Flex, that's the net 30 terms, so that his customers can pick payment terms that work for them without having to make Alex the bank. If you are offering net terms to your customers and you're not using Xometry Flex, you are the bank. But you're a machine shop. You're not a bank. You shouldn't be in the banking business. Let us take care of that. That's where we can come to your aid. So we guarantee the payment in 30 days. And regardless of your customer's payment performance, you never know. Frankly, I don't think we ever know. We have an arrangement with our underwriter. We pay you. It's all good. And that's really what the key is there. It's security, and it's control, and it's options for your customers.